Þessi. We've seen þetta, which means both this and that. When used in the construction þetta or þetta eru, it doesn't change for number or gender. For example, þetta gamalt hús. This is an old house. Þetta eru góðir nemendur. These are good students. Þetta eru. Don't confuse this structure with það or það eru, which means there is or there are when used with a noun. Það bók á borðinu. There's a book on the table. Það eru ekki birnir á Íslandi. There are no bears in Iceland. Þessi also means this and that. Icelandic doesn't really distinguish between the two. But þessi is used directly before a masculine or feminine noun. Þessi bíll gamall. This car is old. Þessi bók ekki skemmtileg. This book is not interesting. And before a neuter noun, it's þetta. Þetta hús rautt. This house is red.